This is freedom, guys. I'm afraid I have to cancel the project.
Hi, I'm Mathias Serra, and forget the cliché, a trader can actually live his best life in a van. Hike, dirt bike, kayak, ski, beauty, but always with philosophy. I will bring you with me no matter if it's in a blizzard or a volcano. You're gonna rediscover Europe and the game of life like never before. So subscribe to not miss any of my next expedition.
September is here for real now. It's raining a lot since 2 days. My back is still hurting since 2 or 3 weeks. I try to do stretching and so on, but it didn't work. I'm afraid I have to cancel the project. Comes from my sitting positions. It's almost never flat. I may have to change the van to have a sitting position with the driving seat, for example, and also have to find spots where it's perfectly flat to work. And I have holidays planned in south of France for surf. I don't even know if I can go there, so I'm afraid to cancel also. As you can hear, maybe there is a thunderstorm, a big one, but yeah, today is not easy. The drama continue, guys, and I share everything with you. I went out to remove the chunks and I saw that I killed a small animal there, because when I arrived yesterday it was night, so I could not see everything. I stepped in the water, so my feet are wet. I also broke my glasses, and I've put the cover on my back. It was raining on it the whole night because I forgot one more time. And last but not least, I had a drama also in my toilets. I didn't flush the pee, so I had some pee on the bottom of my box. I don't know why I flush every 2 days, but but maybe I did pee more because of the rain, I don't know. The view is not beautiful, the weather is not beautiful. I forgot this idea of having this view on the lake from the mountain. I've been here two or 3 days already, and now I just want to go somewhere else. I've had enough. So I moved a bit just to have at least a view, and I would like to work sitting here to see the driving seat, if it's better for my back or not. I usually don't break that often things, almost never, and have a second pair of glasses, so you see how well I'm prepared. So it's not about preparation. These things can happen to anyone. You're gonna learn things when you're gonna move in a van. It's nothing related to holidays. I've spent 2 to 3 weeks without any problem. Now that I'm leaving, I see how hard it is. It's part of it. Even if you think and rethink and overthink about your project, you're gonna have new discoveries, new drama. Usually I plan so well. So yeah, I think life is challenging me, testing me if I really would like to have this lifestyle for the next 2 years or even more. But nothing can stop me, so I will continue and share everything with you so that you can see also both sides of the van life. Always cooking with the open door and the open window. Everything goes out. I'm here in Arco and I saw a very beautiful castle on top of a cliff. I decided to start to walk here and look at how beautiful it is, and just to show you that there is not only the coast part of Italy which is very beautiful. Look at that. This is typically Italian style.
I went to the doctor yesterday and she told me that I can walk if I stand straight. I try to walk a little bit and not think of the pain, but even here I cannot stand straight. It's my life, you know, when you are that tall. But even for a normal person, you're gonna have these olive trees in your face. I arrived at the top and you have to pay to access the castle. I'm stupid, I took nothing with me. I really recommend to come here because the view is stunning. If you decide to come here, I suggest to take 2 and 2.5 hours because it takes like 30 minutes to come here, 30 minutes to visit the castle, and then after to come back and have a drink, visit the city downstairs. If you want to know how much time you need to visit something or somewhere, there is a nice thing on Google Maps. When you click on the museum or on the monument you would like to visit, you can see the average time people stay. I found this spot 1 week ago when I arrived, but it was full and crowded, and now September arrived. There was some rain in the past days. Look at the ambience. So I stay here for the night. As you can see, Riva del Garda is very famous for the kite surf and for the wind, and more especially all the west coast of this lake. It's very windy, so yeah, there is a lot of vans and kites. I like this ambience. It's very funny because I'm showering now on the parking next to the lake, and I can hear the persons that are parking. Like they say, you know, like you can go avanti, you know, stop, more to the left, more to the left, more to the right, and you know me, I'm in my shower thinking of them. It's super weird. Yeah, this is also it. Van life is also about it, especially if you go to touristic places in the city. Have you seen how I am? Living in van doesn't mean you have to be dirty all the time. This is freedom, guys.